So I was busy doing last night. Getting this joint together. You can see. We in action, that boy, that boy.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Alright. Working on some bikes. China bike. Apollo. Forbidden Fruit. And Old Reliable. Getting ready to let her go. I was gonna just keep it, but I don't know. I don't really. If I have a bigger bike, better bike, I don't need it. You know, but I just want to either sell it, trade it, you know, to get something better. So, get it all cleaned up. Replace the broken parts. Well, it's mostly cleaned up. I already got it. Pretty icy right now. As you can see. It's pretty clean. Got some new side plastics. Use that to clean up the seat. It's OEMC, so I'm gonna just keep it. Got some new fork gators, fork guards, whatever you want to call it. Just stripped the paint on this. All I did was use some regular paint stripper. Got from Walmart. And then I used some 120 grit. Yeah, 120 grit. Put that on there. And then, what am I trying to say? Yeah, 120 grit. You know, to sand it down. You can kind of see the scrapes and stuff in there. But, yeah. Kind of let it sit out here, let it dry. There's some holes on the bottom. So, I'm a JB weld that. And yeah, we gonna JB weld that. And I'm probably let it sit overnight, probably inside, so it doesn't rust too much. And then paint it. I was looking on the Scoob, and this guy, he was testing out some stuff. He said he proved that this is pretty much fuel resistant. So we gonna use this. I'm gonna use the adhesive promoter first, you know. Do like 2 to 3 coats of that. And then it's a little can, you know, but it's supposed to be some better stuff, so hopefully yeah, I'm gonna start it early tomorrow, so just in case I run out, I can pop to the auto store and get some more. So yeah, but that's all I'm doing on that. I'm gonna get it cleaned up, put a new tube for this. This wheel does have some damage, as you can see there. I don't know. Should I not get a new wheel? I don't know. I just want to sell this thing as is, really. I don't want to put no more money into it. Just want it gone. But I ordered a muffler for it from the local shop that specializes in Apollos. so I couldn't find it nowhere. I got some new grips for it. Pro tape grips. Yeah, I'm still deciding. I think I'm gonna just pop that tire, that wheel on there. We'll see. Hopefully, I got a new tube for it. If it works, it works. If it don't, then maybe I think about getting a new one. It's like $100 off of eBay. Look at that hummingbird. I thought it was a moth or something at first, but I got a closer look and it's a hummingbird. Can you see it? See if I can get a closer look of it. I don't know, I like animals, so I get easily distracted by something like that. But anyway, yeah. This one, I'm gonna post for $1,200. We hope to get $900 out of it. This one I'm gonna post for $900. We hope to getting $650, $700 out of it. So we'll see. Legal. It's a new day. It's probably been about 24 hours, a little less, I don't know. JB Weld is dried out. Now it's time. I'm about to spray some of this adhesive promoter on there. And then we got the paint. Do what it do. Do what it do. Get it taped down. Gonna get it right together. Tell you that. Yes, sir. Getting this joint together. Still waiting on more parts. Getting this joint together. Still waiting on more parts. But in the meantime, I'm about to go check out a little bike. Cause plan is to sell these, stack my money a little bit, work a little bit, and then get to riding with a gas tank. I'm letting it dry. I got the adhesion promoter on there, primer, whatever you want to call it. So getting that done, I got some more parts I'm gonna clean up to get to sell. So we'll go check out this bike, see what it is in a minute. Hopefully it's what I want. It's running good, shifting good, all that. Then I had that bike to hold me over, so I get my 250, 450, whatever it is I find. But yeah, I kind of just want to take the leap to the 450, but we'll see. If I catch a steal on the 250, whatever I find first. So about to go and see what we got. Lego. Alright, so it's a new day. So I was busy doing last night. Getting this joint together. You can see we in action there, boy, that boy. Use this DupliColor perfect match. Like I said, I start off with this stuff. I use this to put on stickers, paint, whatever I'm about to put something down. I put the adhesion promoter. It just works good. Don't really leave much residue. It's kind of like a dry spray, and it helps the stuff stick. But Got that paint for the Pajo piece, you know. So now I'm gonna finish putting it back together, get it cleaned up, nice wash, wax. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a new tire, a new wheel for it for the front, just so it's on point. They ain't gonna be able to say nothing when they come by. Just ride off, take it, and give me my $700-800 and go on by their way. This one we still waiting on foot pedals and the levers came in. Just some cheap levers I got off Design, pretty much OEM style. It was about $15 for the set, if that. Oh, what am I still waiting on? I gotta clean the seat up. Got this VLR, mother's VLR, vinyl leather rubber. Saw somebody use it on the school, works pretty good. The grips, that's what I'm waiting on. Got the new fork gators. So, start taking this apart, these grips is new. Barely even got no wear in them, but I got some pro taper joints coming. Get the new grips, new foot pedals, get the new levers on. That's it. Maybe clean up the tank a little bit, sand this down. That's where this hand guards have been hidden. But yeah. Went to check out the Westsde 85. Didn't start right away. Do need a bunch of work. I sprayed some starter fluid into it. I got it started, so so basically I'm about to give him 400, and then I'm gonna come back and give him 450 later. Or actually, you know, give him like $100 a week. He cool with that, you know. Somebody that we ride with, so get rid of these. I'm gonna have something to get me ride, and then, you know, work, say what I can. About a month or two, you don't see me on a big 450. That's really what I'm shooting for, to get a 450. Feel me? But I get a 250, nice clean 250, no hoagie. You know, maybe even a 150, but really want a 250, really. But we'll see. So let's go get ready to go pick up this hoagie. I'm about to instantly put about, you know, around 250 into it, parts and stuff, get it, so I can, you know, get out ride. So there you go.